Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot get the access to your smartphone using your PIN code. Now the first thing that comes to my mind is that you should check whether you haven't mistaken the personal PIN code for the SIM card PIN code, and if you're because these two are often mistaken for each other, so make sure that you're trying to enter your personal PIN code. Now once you do that, try your best to remember the PIN code that worked for you the last time when you tried to sign into your smartphone. And if it doesn't work for you in the normal mode, then let's try to use it in the safe mode. And to enter the safe mode, we'll have to press power button and volume up keys at the same time for a short while, then select restart, then wait for the logo to appear on your screen. And by the logo I don't mean this one, but the next one that you'll see, the red and white dots. And once you see it, start holding down the volume down key of your smartphone, like right now. Hold down the volume down key and wait until your phone boots up. Now in the safe mode there will be no third-party applications affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, or screen lock behaves. Lock screen, excuse me. And your phone will be less laggy too, so you can right now, since you have this safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, try entering your PIN code again. And just in case if it works for you this time, then go into settings, select security and privacy, then select device and lock, go to fingerprint, go to screen lock, enter your password again, select turn off password, confirm, and after this you can safely reboot to the normal mode like this. Okay, and now if it didn't help you, if entering your password in safe mode didn't help you, then the best thing that you can do is reach out to the OnePlus customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out solving your problem without removing any personal files from your device. Now if this doesn't sound like an option for you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation. And to perform a factory reset operation, you can either use a Find My Device feature on your device. If you have a Google account connected to your smartphone, then you can use any of your other devices to Google or search for Find Hub service, then log into the Find Hub service using your Google account that is connected to the smartphone. And if you didn't disable Find My Device feature manually, then you'll be able to find your smartphone on the list. And once you select it, go to the factory reset operation, which is the last option on the list of what you can do with your smartphone remotely. And once your device is restarted, you'll be able to set it up as a new smartphone. And if you cannot do this either, you can still perform factory reset operation locally using recovery modes. And if you need some help in your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation on a OnePlus Nord 5 using recovery mode. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.